I'm Nate Sally, this is Kenny Miner from Outdoor Home, and it's time for another Backyard Smoke Show. Kenny, what are you doing on the Big Green Egg today?
So today we're doing Mediterranean stuffed chicken breast.
Sounds fabulous. Tell us about these ingredients.
Got lots of ingredients that's going to go inside the center of the chicken. So we got chopped spinach, mozzarella cheese, parmesan, cream cheese, some sun-dried tomatoes, fresh garlic, and then one of my favorite seasonings, a Mediterranean Greek Freak seasoning.
Greek Freak.
Greek
Love
Freak.
to say that. I'm going to be back a little later for a little taste test.
Sounds great.
All right.
All right, we'll get started on our stuffing. You just want to have a bowl that you can put all your ingredients in. We'll dump our spinach, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese. We've got our cream cheese, and then our chopped sun-dried tomatoes, some fresh minced garlic, and then our Greek Freak Mediterranean seasoning. So we're just going to mix all this together. All right, we've got our mixture nice, all mixed together here. So I've got a couple chicken breasts here, some large chicken breasts that we've actually taken and made a pocket inside. So what you want to do here is just make a pocket without going all the way through to the other side. You don't want the cheese to come out. And now we're going to take our mixture and start stuffing this inside the chicken. All right, so we've got our stuffing in there. Now we're just going to put a couple toothpicks. We just want to take our spot here, kind of pinch that together. So I'm going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to hit it with some of our Greek Freak seasoning on the outside. All right, we've got them all seasoned up, ready to go. So this is going to cook at 400 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. We've showed this before. We've got our predictive thermometer from Big Green Egg. This takes the guesswork out of it. So I'm going to find a spot in the chicken here, insert that. So that's going to help us monitor while it's cooking in the Big Green Egg. It's going to cook again at 400 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm going to put those in the pan and they're ready to go on the Big Green Egg. So we've got our mini max ready here, 400 degrees. We're set up for indirect. This is an oven baked recipe. Remember, life tastes better outside, so we're taking it outside. We've got all set up here, indirect, convector there. We're going to put the skillet right in the middle, and then we're going to close the lid and let that cook at 400 degrees. We got our little thermometer here showing it's 161 degrees in that chicken, so our Mediterranean stuffed chicken is now ready to come off of the Big Green Egg. So you can kind of see if that cheese kind of oozes out there, that's no big deal. You take that off there, we're just going to spoon that right back over the chicken. Nothing to worry about there at all. So this is ready to come off and rest.
Well, this is the fun part, the part we have been waiting for, the taste test. As always, Kenny, you should go first.
Okay.
You did all the work. Little stuffed chicken, Mediterranean stuffed chicken. I'm very excited about this. I want to get all the good stuff inside. Oh my word.
Amazing.
That is incredible. Life does taste better outside.
It does.
That is absolutely amazing. You were a master on the Big Green Egg. As always, listen, you can get this recipe at ky3.com, or for a printed copy, you can go to Outdoor Home in Nixa, where outdoor living is always in.